Hello. So today I have budget earphone which just cost $5. So let's check out this. Alright, it is a Ponang metal earphone. It has 3D music, good sound quality, and the cable length is 1.2 meter. It has 3.5 mm earphone jack and wire coated with airpipe. It supports to the iPhone and most of Android devices. If you have dongle, you can also plug in. So let's unbox this. So this is the earphone. It has metal finish body in gold rose color. The look is really gorgeous and the wire is really strong now. We have a remote control operation to pick call or open the voice control assistant in phone. You can directly put inside 3.5 mm headphone jack, or if you have dongle, you can just put directly inside it. So let's have a music test. As you can hear it, the music is really loud now. Here is extra earbuds to change as per the size of your ear. I have also USB Lightning headphone of Apple. I have checked the sound quality and listened it for one day. I have listened the stereo and Dolby Atmos sound, but it can play really smoothly. That was really crazy insane. It can catch a small detail of music that is played in background and music bits too. But it has slightly high bass. If you are searching for the budget earphone, this is absolutely for you. But it has no noise cancellation feature. If you compare this earphone to high-end headphone, maybe you can find slightly difference in sound quality. The atmosphere sound is not so good. But overall, it is quite justifiable. So that's for today. If you like this video, subscribe this channel, hit like button, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.